That's me. Okay. My name is Marilyn Felty Teed. I graduated from Methacton High School in 1973.
I'm sorry, can you just state your current area of residence?
Worcester.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, and I'm back with my mother because I'm taking care of her. But I grew up in this school district from elementary on through. And 2.5 years ago, I found out something, and it was very disturbing to me. And I'm here to give you a quick overview of what that is. And I would really like to have some feedback on this because it was very shocking to me. And I think that there's something being taught in the schools that there's a huge, it could be an outright lie. So I'm here to just present this quickly. Can I do this? I can do it in the 4 minutes, which I think I have. As you can see, the banners have a lot of information on them. So here is the flat Earth map. The North Pole is in the center. Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge. This is no joking matter. This is the United Nations logo. They use a flat Earth map. All these world organizations use a flat Earth map, but they leave off Antarctica. If there is a sphere, a spinning ball, then there has to be a curvature formula for how far out it goes and how far down it drops. Okay? Based on a 24,901 mile equator, this is the formula we came up with. And we used the Pythagorean theorem. Down here you can see that, how we figured that out. And it's 8 inches times a mile squared. Now, if you'll see this picture right here, this is Chicago across 60 miles of Lake Michigan. Now, so you see the numbered blocks, 71, 143, they all correspond with the 200 proofs Earth is not a spinning ball by Eric Dubé. So you can take a picture if you like, but you can see these same pictures again on that video. Okay, except I may have added a few more in that I really like the scientific method, I added that one in there. And gravity theory over here, which that's in grave question. So we have missing curvature. Properties of water, that's always flat on the top. Okay, water never curves and it never conforms to the bottom of the container and reflects that on the top. Okay, here's reflection. We always get the line. If it's a flat surface, you get the line. If it's a curved surface, as you can do with glossy paper at home, just curve the paper, go to a light bulb, and you'll see a curved paper only gets a spot. But this is reality. We get the line. Okay? So I'm saying that all the oceans are a flat surface. Your bathtub is flat, your swimming pools are flat, the lakes are flat, so the oceans are also flat. I had a woman, she said she had a master's degree in physics, and she told me the Pacific Ocean was higher than the Atlantic Ocean. I said, no, I don't think so. Water always seeks its own level. What happens down around the bottom of South America? Is it just a raging river there? No. So we have a lot of misinformation going around, and I think it's horrible. I think there's also a law that says the public schools have to teach the truth. Okay? So I'm not here angry at you people. I'm not angry at you. I'm just saying this is information, this is real science, and we have to make sure that we're not abusing the children by lying to them. So I think lying to children is child abuse. So I am challenging you all to do this research. I've been studying this 2.5 years, and now I go out and I question people and ask them to look into it. That's what I do. Here, when you study this...
Sorry, I need to ask you to please wrap up.
Okay, here's perspective. You're going to have to... Well, 4 minutes is up? Wow. So, okay, so 200 proofs. you have to study perspective. That's something that they do not teach you in school. And there's a whole lot. These books are being censored. NASA is lying to us. How does America get to be two different sizes? You can take a picture of this, I don't care, but there's a lot to it. And the horizon always goes to your eye level. So if you hold this out, no matter if you're up in a plane or Mount Everest, it's always at your eye level. That proves it's not curving downwards. So thank you for your time.